In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up order ID format in Shopify. Having a clear and consistent order ID format can make it much easier to track orders, organize your reports, and communicate with customers. I'll walk you through the exact settings in your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll know how to customize both the beginning and the end of your order numbers to match your brand. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look down to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the main settings area for your store. By default, you'll land on your general settings. Stay right on this page. Now, scroll down slowly until you find a section or card labeled Order ID. This is where you control how your order numbers will look. Inside this Order ID section, you'll see two main fields you can customize. The first one is called Prefix, and you'll notice it already has a hash symbol or number sign in the text box. The second one is called Suffix. These two fields let you add text before and after the automatically generated order number. Let's start with the prefix. Click into that box and type the text you'd like to appear at the beginning of every order ID. For example, you might enter something like ORD, so that each order number starts with a short code for order, followed by a dash. This is helpful if you want your order numbers to be easily recognizable in your emails, invoices, or exports. Next, move down to the suffix field. This controls what appears at the end of your order number. Here, you might want to add a dash followed by the year, such as 2026. This can be useful for quickly seeing which year the order came from, especially if you handle a high volume of sales. As you make these changes, look toward the bottom of the order ID card. Shopify will show you a live preview of what your order numbers will look like with your chosen prefix and suffix. For example, you might see something like ORD 1001 2026. The middle part, the number itself, will continue to increase automatically as new orders come in. Take a moment to review the preview and make sure it matches what you want. When you're satisfied with how your order ID format looks, move up to the top of the page near the search bar and click the Save button. This step is important because your changes won't apply until you save them. Once saved, any new orders in your store will start using this updated format, helping you keep your order management more organized and on brand.